Good morning. Today, our learning goal is we will add within 20 by making a 10. We will use the math tool called a rekenrek to help us solve. 8 plus 6 equals. Remember, my goal today is to make a 10, and I'm going to use this tool to find out how I can make a 10 in order to make my problem more friendly. I'm going to click on my rekenrek tool. This, boys and girls, is a rekenrek. It has a total of 20 beads. There are 10 beads at the top and 10 beads at the bottom. The top has 5 red beads and 5 white beads, and the bottom has the same. Remember, my problem is 8 plus 6. I'm going to start at the top, and I'm going to make my first add-in 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. My second add-in is 6. I'll use 5, 6 beads to represent that. Boys and girls, do you notice to make a full 10 on the top, I would need 2 more beads to slide over. So I'm going to take them from down here and slide them over. I'm going to give the top the full 10. And now take the 2 beads that I used from the top and put them back from the bottom. Now I have a new equation. I have 10 as my first add-in because I've used all the beads on the top. My second add-in is 4 because there's now only 4 beads on the bottom. I'm going to go back to my problem. Boys and girls, remember, I used 2 beads to help my 8 become a 10. So I broke up my 6 between 2 because the 8 needed 2 more. And then I had 4 beads remaining. So boys and girls, we can take an add-in, break it apart in order to make our problem easier. My new equation would be 8 plus the 2. What was that? That made my full 10. 10. I'm still adding, but I don't have 6 left. Remember, I took 2 from my 6 to give it to the 8 to make a 10. Now I only have 4 left. We know that when we're adding with a 10, our problem is more friendly because there's a 0 in the ones place. So I can use these ones to take the place of the 0. Now I still have 1 10 and 4 ones. Does that match my model? Let's check. I have 1 10 and 4 ones. Let's try another one. Let's practice with 9 plus 4. I better take this part out so that I can have a fresh start. I'm going to use my rekenrek. My add-ins are 9 and 4. 9 and 4. I need 1 more bead in order to make a 10. That means my 4 has to be broken into 2 parts. One of those parts really needs to be a 1 so that I can use this 1 bead on top. Let's go back to our problem. We used 1 bead to make the 10, and we had 3 ones left. That means we have 10 plus 3 equals 110 and 3 ones. Boys and girls, you're going to be working on a few of these problems today.